Imagine having access to websites that can help you write better, edit photos like a professional, remove image backgrounds in seconds, translate languages accurately, and even save you hours of work, all without spending a single dollar. In today's video, I'll show you 15 free websites that can make your life easier, whether you're a student, a professional, a business owner, or just someone who uses a computer every day. Make sure you stay until the end because the last few websites are incredibly useful and most people don't even know they exist. Let's get started. The first website is ChatGPT, one of the most useful AI tools available today. If you've never used it before, think of it as an intelligent assistant that can answer questions, explain difficult topics, help you write emails, create resumes, summarize long articles, brainstorm ideas, and much more. For students, it can explain complex subjects in simple language. For professionals, it can help write reports, presentations, and emails faster. And for content creators, it can generate ideas, outlines, and scripts to speed up the creative process. The key is learning how to ask clear questions. The better your prompt, the better the answer you'll receive. Next is Canva. If you've ever wanted to create professional-looking designs without learning complicated software, Canva is a fantastic place to start. You can design presentations, posters, YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, business cards, invitations, CVs, and resumes. The platform includes thousands of ready-made templates, so even beginners can create attractive designs in minutes. Many of its features are available for free, making it a great option for students, entrepreneurs, and creators. Website number 3, remove.bg. Have you ever needed to remove the background from a picture? Instead of spending time editing it manually, remove.bg does the job automatically. Just upload your image, and within a few seconds, the background is removed. This is especially useful if you're creating product photos, YouTube thumbnails, profile pictures, marketing materials. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require any editing experience. Website number 4, Photopea. If you've heard of Photoshop but don't want to install expensive software, then you'll love Photopea. Photopea works directly in your web browser. It supports many of the same file formats and includes powerful editing tools for photo editing, graphic design, image retouching, layer-based editing. Whether you're creating a banner, editing a thumbnail, or adjusting a photo, Photopea offers impressive features without needing a paid desktop application. The fifth website is TinyWow. Think of TinyWow as a toolbox packed with useful online utilities. It offers tools for converting PDF files, compressing documents, editing images, basic video tools, AI-powered writing features. Instead of searching for a different website every time you need a simple task completed, TinyWow brings many useful tools together in one place. If you frequently work with documents or digital files, this is definitely a website worth bookmarking. Website number 6, DeepL Translator. If you've ever translated text online, you probably know that some translations sound awkward or unnatural. That's where DeepL Translator stands out. It translates text in a way that often sounds more natural, making it useful for students, professionals, travelers, and anyone communicating in different languages. Simply paste your text, choose the language, and DeepL generates a clear translation in seconds. Whether you're reading documents, writing emails, or learning a new language, this tool can save you a lot of time. Next is Google Docs. If you're still saving every document only on your computer, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to work. Google Docs lets you create and edit documents directly in your browser. One of its biggest advantages is that your work is automatically saved as you type. No more worrying about losing your progress if your computer suddenly shuts down. You can also share documents with friends, classmates, or coworkers and work on the same file together in real time. Whether you're writing assignments, reports, meeting notes, or project plans, Google Docs makes collaboration simple. Now let's talk about Google Drive. Imagine your laptop stops working tomorrow. Would your important files still be safe? Google Drive gives you cloud storage where you can securely save documents, photos, videos, presentations, and more. Once uploaded, your files can be accessed from almost any device after you sign into your account. You can also organize folders, share files with others, and back up important documents so they're available whenever you need them. It's a simple way to keep your digital life organized. Website number 9, Notion. If you often forget tasks, lose notes, or struggle to stay organized, then Notion is worth exploring. Notion combines note-taking, task management, planning, and project organization into one workspace. You can create daily to-do lists, study notes, content calendars, business plans, personal journals, project trackers. Instead of switching between several different apps, you can manage everything in one place. Many students, professionals, and content creators rely on Notion to stay productive every day. The 10th website is Gamma. Creating presentations can take hours, especially if you're starting from a blank slide. Gamma uses AI to help you create professional-looking presentations much faster. Simply describe your topic, and the platform generates a polished presentation that you can customize to fit your needs. This is especially useful for students preparing class presentations, professionals creating business proposals, or anyone who wants to save time while producing attractive slides. Instead of spending hours designing each slide manually, Gamma helps you focus more on your ideas and less on formatting. Website number 11, PDF 24 Tools. If you work with PDF files regularly, then PDF 24 Tools is a website you should definitely bookmark. It offers dozens of free PDF tools in one place. You can merge multiple PDF files into one, split large PDFs into smaller files, compress PDFs to reduce file size, convert PDFs to other formats, protect PDFs with passwords, unlock PDFs when you have permission to do so, rearrange or rotate pages. Instead of downloading different software for each task, PDF 24 Tools lets you do everything directly from your browser. It's fast, simple, and ideal for students, office workers, and anyone handling digital documents. The next website is CapCut. If you're creating videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, CapCut makes editing much easier. You can trim and cut clips, add subtitles, include transitions and effects, add music and sound effects, resize videos for different social media platforms. Even if you've never edited a video before, CapCut's interface is beginner-friendly and helps you create professional-looking videos without expensive software. Website number 13 is Figma. Figma is a powerful online design platform used by designers, businesses, developers, and creative teams around the world. You can use it to design websites, create mobile app layouts, build user interface designs, design posters and graphics, collaborate with teammates in real time. One of its biggest strengths is collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same design at the same time, making it perfect for team projects and remote work. Website number 14, Google Lens. Now let's look at Google Lens. Google Lens lets you search using your camera instead of typing. For example, you can translate text instantly, copy printed text into editable text, identify plants, animals, landmarks, or products, solve simple homework problems, search for items you want to buy. Simply point your camera at an object, and Google Lens analyzes what it sees and provides useful information in seconds. It's one of those tools that many people have but don't fully use. Our final website is Google Keep. If you constantly forget ideas, shopping lists, reminders, or important tasks, Google Keep is a simple but powerful note-taking tool. With Google Keep, you can create quick notes, make checklists, set reminders, record voice notes, organize ideas using labels and colors. Because it syncs with your Google account, Your notes stay updated across your devices, making it easy to access them wherever you are. Sometimes the simplest tools make the biggest difference, and Google Keep is a great example. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these websites was your favorite? Or do you know another free website that deserves to be on this list? Leave your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Digital Skills, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future tutorials on computer skills, AI tools, useful websites, productivity tips, and technology that makes life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.